What's happening, people? So you know with the Blair Project, we normally use 3D printers to 3D print go-kart parts, but today we joined forces with Create Education as part of their Hack the Pandemic group on their Create Connect platform to 3D print masks and ventilator components for our NHS so they don't run out. So let's go meet Create Education. Come with me. Yeah, good. The Blair Project is here to come to Create Education, obviously to help out with the fight against coronavirus and help 3D print some ventilators.
Fantastic. Right then. Well, I'll show you what we've got going then.
Yeah, sure.
So, this is one of the ventilators that has been designed by a company called Copper 3D that we work with very closely. So it's designed to be printed in antimicrobial filament that destroys bacteria and viruses. So this is what we're calling a device of last resort. Right. So if you've no face masks or anything like that, anything else to protect your face, this is one of those things that you can use to step in to try and prevent extra transmission of the virus. So
wow.
That is what it prints off like in 3 parts there. So then you can get the parts, put them together, designed to be used with something like a makeup pad or a little bit of filtration fabric in there. You screw that onto that, and you can use hot water, fold it along the lines, and mould it to your face, just so that then you've got that kind of facial protection there, stops you from being able to touch your face as well.
And then you just get a piece of string and then you can apply that onto your face.
I've got a bit of elastic on that one. I do recommend using something a bit stronger so it stays on your face too. But yeah, that's the whole idea behind that one there.
Brilliant. And how long would something like this take to print?
Somewhere, depends on your printer, depends on the settings, but somewhere in the region of between 1.5 hours and 4 hours, depending on what materials you were using. And if it's designed to be used with Copper 3D's PL Active, so that would take probably about 3.5 hours, depending on the settings that you're using. We've created a Create Education Create Connect group. So there's a group on our online platform called Hack the Pandemic. And on there, that's where I'm encouraging people to go that have a specific need. So if there's any kind of medical device need, anything that would be safe to be 3D printed, you can go on there. There are people waiting to help. So there's several universities that have already offered to help. There's different maker spaces as well. I've been contacted by private companies too that have the resources to be able to manufacture. And all they need is those people to say, this is what we need at this moment in time.
Yeah.
We've got people who can do design on there as well, and they can design for 3D printing. We just need those guys to go on and say, this is what we need, and then we've got plenty of people that can respond with their manufacturing capability on there.
So for anyone who does have a 3D printer and wants to get involved and help out, what steps would they need to take?
They can come to our website. It's createeducation.com, and on the site we've got our Create Connect portal. So it's a social platform, you can sign up for it, and there are groups on there. The group that we're using at the moment is called Hack the Pandemic. Go on there, register what kind of, or just tell everybody on the group what kind of machine you've got, what materials you've got, what kind of CAD skills you've got as well to be able to design stuff, and then people know who to turn to, in what area, and who can help up and down the country.